Now let's do the next question. The question is 5x to the power 7 to the power 3 dot 10x to the power 2 and then 2 here power. Clear? And this is divided by what? 2 to the power x 2x to the power 6 and then 7. Okay, this is the question. So how we will solve this question? First, what we will do? First we will write what? 5, and here the power is 3, means how many times we will write 5? 3 times. So 5 into 5 into 5. Then what? X is here and 7. So 7 3s are 21. So x to the power 21. Then again multiplication sign. This dot means what? Multiplication. 10 power 2 means 10 into 10. Then again x to the power 2 to the 4. Again we will draw line. Then 2 how many times? 7 times. Clear? So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And then x to the power what? 6 7s are 42. Clear? Now we can cancel. Yes. What? 2 5s are. Then 2 5s are. This we can cancel. Then what we can write here? 5 5s are 25 and 25 into 5 125 and 125 into 5 5s are 25. So 125 into 25. So 5 5s are 25, 2 5 2s are 10, or directly we can do 25 5s are 125. So 5 here and 12, and 25 2s are 50, 50 and 12 what? 62. So 2 here, 6 carry. Clear? Then 25 ones are 25 and 6 31. Okay. So here we can write 3 1 2 5. Then x to the power 21 and 4 what? 25. Clear? Here x to the power 25. Because when the base same, what we do with the powers? We add the powers. And this is divided by what? Again 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 2s are 60. Once again 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 2s are 32. So 32 x to the power 42. Okay. So now we cannot cancel this one, but here we can do the subtraction. So 42 minus 25 7. Then 3 minus 2 what? 3 minus 2 1. So here the answer will be what? 3 1 2 5 divided by 32 what? X to the power 42 minus 25. Okay. So x to the power what here? 17. X to the power 17. Clear? Then this will be the final answer. So here also what we did? We simply use the what? The concept, the basic concept that I have discussed. That basic concept we have used it here. Okay. I hope it is clear. Now let's do the next one. Now the next question is minus 3 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 6 divided by 6 into 2 to the power 3. Clear? This is the question. How we will solve it? So here minus 3 to the power 3 means what? Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into what? 2 to the power 6. So here 2 to the power 6 is given, or one thing another way, first simplify it. So here it is given 3 and here 2 to the power 6. Then here 6. Simplify this one. So 2 into 3 and here 2 to the power 3. So all together what here we have got? This is equal to, we can write what here? Minus 3 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 4. 3 and 1, 4 into 3 to the power 1. Okay, then again we will solve that. Okay, so minus, then here is what? 6. Okay, so here of course this minus is what? Here is minus sign and the power is what? Odd or even? The power is odd. I have discussed that when the power is odd, then minus sign what? In answer also we put the minus sign. But if the power is even, then in answer what we do? Minus sign becomes a plus sign. So here you will get a answer in minus sign. Okay. So now 3 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 1. So 3 minus 1. What? 3 to the power 2. Into 2 to the power what? 2 to the power 4, 6 and 4. So 6 minus 4 is 2. So your answer will be what? Your answer will be minus 3 to the power minus 3 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 2. This way also we can write, or we can write minus, because 2 comes first. Clear? When we draw number line, when we go counting, 2 comes first. So we can write 2 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 2. Whether you write minus sign here or here, it doesn't matter, because minus into plus is always minus. Okay. Now let's do the next question. Now the next question is 2 to the power 3 and then power is what? 5 into 5 to the power 4 divided by 4 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 2. This is the question. How we will solve this one? So we can write here 2 to the power 15. Directly 3 5s are 15 into 5 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 4 to the power 3. Can we write like this? Yes, we can write. In place of 4 we can write 2 to the power 2 and then here 5 to the power 2, because when you simplify then only we can find the answer. We can do the steps, our steps can be corrected. So here what we have, 2 to the power 15 into 5 to the power 4 minus 2. This one is greater, divided by 2 to the power 3 to the 6. Okay. So what we have at last, 15, 2 to the power 15 minus 6 into 5 to the power 2. 15 minus 6 is equal to what? 2 to the power 9 into 5 to the power 2. This will be the answer. I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay, now let's do the next one. Yes. So you must have seen slowly what is here? Slowly the level of the question increases. Clear? And I hope you are solving with me, so you are also able to solve and you all must have got the same answer. If you have not got, again there is no problem. Go through the process once again. Clear that I have done. And of course, you will be able to solve it, and the most important, that you will be able to understand it. And next time when you will solve it, you will not make any mistake. Clear? Now, let's do the next one. Next question is 36 into minus 6 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 6 divided by 12 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 5. Clear? This is the question. So, what is here? 36. 36, what we can write? 6 into 6. We can write. Then minus, square of minus sign is plus. So, simply we can write 6 into 6. Then here, what we can write? 3 to the power 6. And here 12 is given. So what we can write here? 12 into 12 into 12 into 3 to the power 5. Clear? So now what we can do here? We can cut. So 6 to the 12. 6 to the 12. 6 to the 12. Okay. So what is left? What is left here? 6 into 3 to the power 6 minus 5. This 5 will come here. Clear? And 2 to the 4. 4 to the 8. Again we can cut. Yes. Again we can cut here. 2 3 is 6. Clear? So we can write like this. 3 into here 3. So 3 means what? The power is 1 here. So here we can write 3 to the power 7 divided by 2. 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 5. I hope it is clear. How 7? This is 6 and 1 here. So 7. Now 3 to the power 7 minus 5 divided by 2 to the power 2. So 3 to the power 2 divided by 2 to the power 2. This we can write this way also. Your answer. Clear? Just what we have done here. What we have used here? Yes, laws of exponent. Okay. Now let's do the next question. Of course it will be more clear. And you are getting different types of questions also. So it is very good. Now next question is minus 128. If you get this type of question, then how will you write it? 2187. You have to write in the exponent form. Clear? What you have to do? You have to solve it. You have to write the answer in the exponent form. So how we'll write the in exponent form? So first we'll find out of 128 prime numbers of 128. So how we'll get it? So 2, because this is divisible by 2. 2 6 2 4. Then 2 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are. Then 2 16. Then 2 8. Then 2 4. And then 2 2. This is 128. Now 2187. Let's do this one. This is 7. So this is divisible by what? This can be divisible by odd numbers. So let's try with 3. Of course it will not go with this 2. So 3. 3 7s are. Then 3 2s are 6, 7, 8, 3 9s are 27. Yes. Again 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3. Then 3 9s are. Not 3 9s are. 3 2s are 6. 7 8. 3 7s are. Okay. Then 3 9s are. Then 3 3s are. Clear? So in place of minus 128, what we can write here? Minus 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 2 to the power 7. Then 3 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 3 to the power 7. Or we can write minus 2 by 3. Clear? Minus 2 by 3. And this is what? 7. Because this is minus sign. Whether you write inside or outside, it is not going to make any difference. Because whenever minus sign is there and the power is odd, what we do? Yes, when the power is odd number, in answer also we put the minus sign. Clear? Now, let's do the next question. Clear? So, you can write it this way or your answer can be this way. There is no difference. Okay? Now, let's do the next one. Now, the next question is a to the power minus 7 into b to the power minus 7 into c to the power 5 into d to the power 4 divided by a to the power 3 into b to the power minus 5 into c to the power minus 3 into d to the power 8. Clear? How we will solve this one? So first we will see that minus 7. So first we will write here a to the power minus 7 and here a to the power 3. So we will write a to the power minus 7 minus 3. Okay. Then b to the power minus 7 plus 5. Clear? Of course, I am not getting enough place here. So it's better to write it here. What? First, a to the power minus 7. This will come up minus 3. Then b to the power minus 7 plus 5. Because when this will come here, what it will become? Yes, the sign will get a change. Then c to the power 5. Then plus 3. And d, which one is greater? Clear? So d, okay, first let's write here. So d, or as a denominator you write, because there is no problem, we can write as a denominator 8 minus 4. Okay, so when we will solve it, what we will get here? A to the power minus 10. Okay, b to the power minus what? Minus 7 and 5 minus 2 and c to the power 8 divided by d to the power 4. Clear? This way you can write the answer. This is the first way. Second way, what I have discussed when I was discussing about the laws of exponent, always we should write answer in positive form. Clear? So here, because we can make negative into positive, so always better to write answer in positive form. So how we can write here? This will come down, it will become what? Positive. So we can write c to the power 8. And then in denominator we can write a to the power 10, b to the power 2 and d to the power 4. Okay, so this will be the final answer. Here no negative sign, all the terms with what? All the terms is with the positive sign. Okay, now let's do the next question. Now the next question is 6 to the power minus 2 divided by 4 to the power minus 2 into 3 to the power minus 2. Clear? This is the question. We have to solve it. How we will solve this one? Again, laws of exponent we have to use here. And now I think you all have become expert in using the laws of exponent. So let's use that. 6 to the power minus 2. So we will write here 6 to the power minus 2 divided by, what we can write here? 4 to the power minus 2 means we can write like this. Okay. Into what? Again 1 by 3 to the power 2. Okay. Then after this again 6 to the power minus 2 into, of course division sign will become multiplication sign, and this when division sign becomes multiplication sign, then numerator becomes denominators become numerator and numerator becomes a denominator, means we write upside down. So here it will be what? 4 square into 3 square. Okay, so here also 4 and 4 square. This 6 will come down, so 6 into 6, then 3 square. Means when we will solve it, we will get what? 4 into 4, 3 into 3 divided by 6 into 6. So 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, and this 2 and 2 cancel, and the answer is what? 4. Clear? What concept we have used? If minus sign is there in a numerator, so when we write it in the form of denominator, then minus sign will become what? Plus sign. So I think the process must have become very clear to you. Okay, now let's do the next question. Okay. here what we are doing? We are applying the laws of exponent. Okay. Now the next question is 2 to the power 5 into 15 to the power 0 plus minus 3 to the power 3 minus 2 by 7 and the power is what? Minus 2. We have to use laws of exponent here. So 2 to the power 5 means 2 to the power 5. Now when the power is 0, the answer is what? 1. Clear? This concept is very clear. Whenever the power is 0, the answer is 1. So here also the power is what? 0. So here answer will be what? 1. Then plus minus, and here also power is what? Odd number. And when minus sign is given and in power odd number is there, in answer we put the minus sign. So here it will be what? Minus, what we can write here? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Then here minus sign is here, clear. Here it is given minus 2, means we will make it positive. We will write 7 by 2. We will change the numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator, so it will become what? Positive. Now 2 to the power 5 means what? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose this one is 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So 32 minus 27 minus 49 by 4. Now take out the LCM. LCM will be 4. Now multiply 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 128. Means 12. 7 4s are 28, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. Once again 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. 4 7s are 28, 8, 2, 4 2s are 8 and 2, 10. Then minus 49. So when you solve it, you will get what? You will get 128 minus what? 8 and 9, 17. 4 and 1, 5 and 1. 157 by 4. So 157 minus 128. Answer will be what? 17 minus 8, 9, and here 2. But this one is what? Greater. So the answer will be what? Minus 29 by what? 4. So your final answer will be what? Minus 29 by 4. So I hope it is clear. Minus 29 by 4. You have to simplify. And always remember, when the power is 0, the answer is 1. And when the power is given in negative form, then we can make it positive. How? We can write the numerator as a denominator and denominator as a numerator. Okay. Now let's do the next question. Now the next question is 5 to the power n into 25 to the power n minus 1 divided by 5 to the power n minus 1 into 25 n minus 1. And this whole is power what given here? Here the power is not given. Clear? Simply it is like this. Now let's solve it. How we will solve? Here the power is what? 5 to the power n. Always remember. So now solve it. 5 to the power n into 5 means what? 25. Can we write 5 to the power 2? 5 to the power 2. And then 2n minus 2. Clear? 5 to the 25 is square of 5. So 5 is square and this 2 will multiply with both. So 2n minus 2 divided by what? Again 5 to the power n minus 1 into same way 5 to the power 2 and 2 into n 2n and 2 minus 1 2. Okay. So here we can write 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 2n minus 2 divided by what? 5 to the power n minus 1 into 5 to the power 2n minus 2. This and this is same, we can cancel. What is left here? 5 to the power n and 5 to the power n minus 1. So this will come here. We will do subtraction. So minus n plus 1. Clear? This plus n will become minus and this minus 1 will become plus, because in subtraction we change the sign. So this and this cancel. So what is left? 5. 1 means what? The answer is 5. Clear? So all different types of questions based on laws of exponent I have done here. I think all the sum must have become very clear to you. Thank you very much for this class.